Righto, it's K-frame out day. Disconnected everything. Pretty sure I've disconnected everything. Wiring looms up there. Tail shafts on the ground. I've got a skate under the belly, under the pan of the Trimatic. That was actually the hardest part. Take out a couple of bolts and get the skate under there and shim it up. Brake lines are done. Accelerator cables are done. Wiring loom's done. Alright. Never done this before. Once again, this is a no mates restoration day. One thing you might see me do in the in the video is just giving the steering column uni joint a bit of a tap as that comes off. But apart from that, it should be yeah. We'll just see how we go. All right. Gearbox linkage. Yeah, that's it. All right. Now, it's out. Woohoo! Righto. Pretty happy with how that went. Seriously, the hardest thing, I wish I'd just taken the two centre bolts out of here, just let it rest on the cross member. Would have been fully supported, would have been fine. That was just a bit of a dog getting under there, especially the way I am at the moment. Apart from that, really good. Little thong out. That's right, I've always got a backup. Righto, awesome. Next thing is gearbox off, extractors off, and a bit more of a tidy up in here. I'm going to flush that heater radiator out. I'm going to get this radiator seen to. All brand new radiator hoses, not mucking around. That's just a no-brainer. New fan belt, shit like that. It's just all going to happen. All of the bushes are really good. Righto. Just got to keep on doing now what needs to be done just to get it licensed, so I can drive it. Righto. Cheers, guys. Righto, I've had a pretty good day with the Torana. Dropped the K-frame out. And managed to give it a good degrease and a bit of a gurney. So tomorrow I'll do a bit of rust blaster on it or something. One great thing to see is there's absolutely no oil around the rear main seal. That's awesome. And here's the Trimatic. And the torque converter there. And my old rusty extractors. So yeah, it didn't take too long. No great strain. It's really good. And yeah, so looking up under, oh, I should have put a light on. But once again, a few little touch-ups, a bit of sealer here and there. And it'll all go back in when I get my gearbox. I've just messaged Doug, my gearbox man, letting him know I'm all good to go. I'm ready for my 4-speed. If anyone knows, this is a 9-inch and oh no, oh yeah, there you go. Is that excessive? Because I wouldn't mind running the car with this diff centre just to start off with. But oh, thong fart. Anyway, yeah, so all good. Great day.